My name is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, and I'm talking to you about world-class benchmarking, looking at the company AQ Estate. This is a Thai-listed real estate company with a market cap of about 90 million US dollars. It's a small cap. It operates in property development, construction services, and management services. Its projects are principally in Bangkok. Two core portfolio products are Bond Cressida and The Pride. Now, before we start, let me tell you the origin story of world-class benchmarking. As a sell-side analyst, I built a successful career analyzing the performance of companies. In 1995, I co-founded CoffeeWorks, a B2B coffee roaster in Bangkok, with my best friend Dale. There we are. Since I worked full-time at an investment bank, my co-founder role was only to advise the CoffeeWorks management team on how to make the company financially world-class. But helping the team turned out to be harder than I thought. I started with the traditional analysis that I did at work, like profit margin, ROE, and growth. But the management team didn't understand these concepts. Next, since I was not only a practitioner but also a teacher of finance, I tried to teach them. Bad news. The management team had little interest in learning finance. I needed to develop a tool for managers with no knowledge or interest in finance. This challenged me to use the resources I had to find a better way to guide the team. I had a database of the financial performance of every company in the world, and I knew which financial ratios mattered most to increase the value of a business. And I had experience simplifying finance concepts built through years of teaching finance. From these resources, I created the world-class benchmarking scorecard to guide the team. The scorecard focuses the management team on only one financial measure. The scorecard is easy to understand since it contains no financial ratios. Importantly, it's not overwhelming. The one-page format arrives monthly. And like a sports scorecard, it doesn't change, so the team knows when they are winning. Finally, it challenges the team to become financially world-class by beating global peers. So that's the origin story of world-class benchmarking. Now let's put it into action. The single measure is profitable growth, a combined score of profitability and growth. We rank companies' performance against global peers. 1 is best, 10 is worse. The scorecard presents 5 years, including the most recent 12 months. So let's use it now. AQ Estate. We can look at it in more detail. Most recent profitable growth rank of 7 was up compared to the prior period's rank of 9. This is below average performance compared to that of 440 small real estate companies worldwide, but it's improving. The recent profitability rank of 7 was worse than its growth rank of 2. Most recent profitability rank of 7, though, was up compared to the prior period's 10th rank. This is below average performance compared to that of its peers. Now, if we look at the growth rank, the most recent growth rank of 2 was up compared to the prior period's 3rd rank. So it's high and it's doing well. This is world-class performance. If it's green, it's world-class compared to that of its peers. Let's look at the bottom of the triangle and see what we find. What we can see here is that the company's recent strength is its margin change, in this case, margin improvement relative to its global peers. And its recent weakness is sales growth, which is at an 8, much below the average of its global peers. Overall, the company's below average, but has been recently improving, and that's the reason why I've been looking at it. Do you want to be world-class? Well, if you're a CEO, email me and at me@andrewstotz.com to see how the world-class benchmarking scorecard can make your company financially world-class. If you're an investor, to see how any company ranks, leave its name in the comments below. Let's do this.